Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10th CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 in that third sum, 8th subdivision we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question in an AP given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14. We need to find a and n. Here they have given sn and an. So we know the formula for sn and an. Just substitute the formula and we can find the values. Yeah, let's see. an equal to 4 is given. Write the formula for an, which is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. We don't know the value of a, just write a as it is, and we don't know n, so n will be the same. Now I am substituting the value of d equal to 2. Just multiply it inside. A plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. So a plus 2n is equal to 4 minus 2 will come this side as plus 2. So a plus 2n equal to 6. So let the value be as it is. Now I am substituting Sn value here. Sn formula is, they have given Sn to be minus 14. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. Bringing 2 to this side, it comes as a multiply. So n into 2a we don't know, plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 2. Bringing to this side, it comes as a multiply. If I multiply minus 14 into 2, I get minus 28. Now multiply 2 inside. N into 2a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. Divide everything by 2. That is, it is divisible by 2. So I am dividing every number with 2. I get n will be as it is. If I divide, this becomes a plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 28. Now take a so that I can substitute it here, because here it is a plus 2n. We can't substitute the value directly, so I am just going to do in substitution method. For that I am going to take a is equal to, in this, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Substitute the value of a over here. Here n, a is 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 28. Here you can solve this 2 and you can also solve this 2. Here it becomes 5 minus n is equal to minus 28. No, I need to divide it here also. So it becomes 14. Sorry, I forgot to divide. You need to divide 2 means you need to divide it here also. It becomes minus 14. So bring everything to one side and also multiply n value. If I multiply n value, it becomes 5n minus n square equal to minus 14. I am bringing every variable to this side. It becomes n square minus 5n plus 14, minus 14 is equal to 0. Split 14. Splitting 14, I get 7 2s are 14 to get minus 5. Here put the sign to the greater number over here. Greater number here is minus 7. So write the value n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Take common. I have n common over here, so I am taking n common. We get n minus 7. Write the bracket first, then see what number to be taken common outside. That is nothing but 2 is equal to 0. Always write the same bracket once, that is n minus 7, and the outside number inside another bracket. Put equal to 0, n will be equal to 7, and here n will be equal to minus 2, which is impossible. The negative number cannot be possible for a number of terms. So number of term cannot be a negative number or a fraction number. So we can take n as to be 7. So n is equal to 7 is the final answer for n. They have asked us to find a. So substitute n value over here. We have a to be 6 minus 2n. So a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is 14. So A will be equal to 8 with a greater number sign of minus. So here in the sum A is equal to minus 8 and D equal to, sorry, A is equal to minus 8 and N is equal to 7 is the final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.